Hey guys, it's Molly. I did this wave a little while ago and I said that I wanted to try it in reverse. So that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm gonna start with the purples and the blues up in the top and the reds down towards the end. And I'm still trying to go for that kind of rainbow tie-dye feel. Let's see what happens. All right, hello, hope everyone is doing well. I am going to do the reverse rainbow wave today. I'm really excited. Showed you guys the other one, and I'll show them side by side at the end so you can see. But I'm gonna start up with the purples and the blues next to the white this time, with the yellows and the reds on the outside. So let's see, I added in this time basically kind of the indigo color, which is a blue-green by Amsterdam. So I am using my regular good old blow dryer. This I talked about the last time, this Urban Creator Torch, and it is not available on Amazon. I didn't have it in my store, but you can Google it and get it online. But there are tons of different torches out there that work perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. What I learned from my last wave, I think I'm going to curve this up this way and stop right here, then create this portion of the wave, and so that I can get kind of the flow that I want. At least that's what I'm thinking in my head. So some of you asked if I had white on the entire canvas, and I showed this part, but I only do white right in here. The rest of this, I really want the colors to catch the canvas around here. And it really doesn't take there's no reason, you guys ask this a lot too, there is no reason to put a base coat underneath unless it calls for it, for negative space, for for the paints to slide well. Otherwise, you're just wasting an extra layer of paint. And sometimes that white paint, if it's thin or whatever color, will come through. So just I say this all the time, every pour is different. You have to treat them differently. Each painting, I use a different medium to get a different, effect. Each technique is their own. So don't think one fits all, All right, let's go. My white's a little thick this time around, but I'm actually okay with that because I think it'll give it good coverage. I am going to crest this just a little bit differently, so I'm going to add just a little bit more white right there. When I'm moving this with the blow dryer, and when you're moving any type of paint with the blow dryer, you really want to angle the dryer down into the paint so that it flows the paint across. If you angle straight down, you're just gonna blow a puddle. So you have to be at an angle. But a lot of people I see when I do classes and things, they think it's a really quick motion and their blow dryer ends up at this angle, and at that point you're pushing paint over here, not pushing the paint that's directly below you. So, and the mouth, this mouth makes a difference as well. Mine is very skinny. Some of them are very large. The larger it is, the more of an area of air it's gonna blow. So, all right, enough talking. So I am gonna start with my purple right up here. And I do start the purple into the white a little bit. So like I said, I'm gonna stop it right there. Somebody else had asked about, I was about to do red next. Somebody else had asked about bleeding of the colors. And as you can see here, just a tiny bit, the purple is bleeding, not much, but once I blow, the paints are thick enough that they stay the same color. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of my colors inside of each other. The rest right out here. I really wanted this one to be predominant blue. I feel like there's still gonna be a lot, but see, we're gonna push these colors over the red, so I actually want more red and orange down here so that they can peek through. And the yellow and the blue will make the green. That's why I didn't have it in there. That was another one that you guys said, well, where's the green? This is supposed to be a rainbow. It's there, people. The one thing I didn't do this time was paint my sides, so we'll see. All is not lost if you forget things like this, guys. All you have to do is paint your sides afterwards. It's no big deal, really. You can go back and paint things. I go back all the time and touch up my paintings. Okay, now I do want just a tiny bit of the blue in here. And a tiny bit of this blue in here. And then maybe a tiny bit of the purple along the edges. Okay. All right, got those out of the way. Oh, I don't know why. I've done this for years and I still get so excited and nervous when I'm about to like start the painting. Okay, let's see how this goes. Y'all, I love this one too. I know I'm not done, but you guys know what I forgot? I forgot that I needed to crest this over and I used almost all my colors over here. Oy, oy, oy. And in this one, the yellow is gone because it mixed with that blue to make the green color. I don't know, we'll see. Wow, look at this reaction up here. That is gorgeous. So I'm gonna crest this over just a little bit. So I think what I'm gonna do is blow up into here a little bit and then I'll fix this part because when I did this, I was blowing out this way. I probably shouldn't have come back in here like that, but make this one look a little bit, you know, watery here. Okay, okay, I'm liking that, I'm liking that. I'm just scared to do this part up here. Okay, all right, so I really like this part. Getting some really cool cell reactions in here. Now, okay, so I'm gonna start with my purple right up here. Very little amount. Okay. I can't believe I forgot that I had to do this part still. Okay. Let me see here. Blue. Looks like the world gave me just enough to do this. So thank you for that good energy. This is so cool down here. Wow. Okay, what color comes next? Yellow. Thank you guys for watching these videos as well. It really means a lot to me. It actually helps my channel for you to watch as much as possible. I know sometimes they're long and you guys like to fast forward, but it actually triggers the YouTube algorithm if people actually watch it to say, hey, that was a good video. So thank you. Okay, here's the end, like it was with the purple, but it's gonna be red this time. Whoops. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna blow the rest of this with my mouth because I don't wanna mess this up. I like that this one's cresting a little bit different than the other. Just making that look a little bit more like water. Trying not to get myself in the painting. You guys know I like these little kind of splashes up here. Okay, now I have to fiddle with this part right here, which could just be me just moving it in. Oh, I have like a oh gosh, what was that? I have like a perfect little rainbow tip right there. I really don't want to mess with that too much. Okay. Oh, I love this one too. Somebody scared. I screamed on the last one. Sorry about that, guys. If you listened to me on high, I got so excited. Okay, all right. So my last little, I really think I want this to be a little bit darker right through here. Just for like composition and contrast, because I have this feathered part, but then I've got a really dark part right up here, and I want this to be dark too. Yeah, oh my gosh, the lacing that just happened in there. Wow. Wow. Ooh, I won't scream, I won't scream. I have this one white little, okay. All right, so I am loving this one as well. I think I'm gonna come on the side and just blow right here. Yes. Sorry, I was covering up my light. Okay. All right, so what do I like? What do I not like? This part right in here is the part that's, I should not have taken my blow dryer and come back through that way. I know that now. I learn something every time I do these. But this is just, I really don't even want to mess with this because if I fiddle, I just don't feel like it, I feel like it's gonna get muddy. And I almost feel like maybe I should just leave it. Do you guys have an opinion? I think I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop putting my fingers in it. I'm done. I'm gonna fix up my sides and I'll show you guys the wet result. I gotta hurry up before my leaf blowers come back. Look at the lacing that happened right there. It is just beautiful. That yellow color really did make a lime green this time. And again, a lot of the yellow is gone out of this. I'm glad that I put it up here on the top. Look at that little wave that's got all the crest that's got all the colors in it. Again, it's not perfect. I may try one more time, but I really, really like this one. I like it with the blue and the purple predominant, and that orange is on its game there. All right, you guys, you know the deal. I'll show you the dried result. All right, here is how this one dried. I love that tip in there with all the rainbow colors. The purple up next to the white. Really love that, and I got a ton more green in this one. It's darker. The red doesn't pop as much, but I really like that too. And then down here is the other one. And I've got a couple layers of varnish on it. This one's already sold. This one is still available. And you can tell me which one you like better. Okay, I brought them down side by side so that you could see. The red really stands out in this one. It's much more muted in this one. I love them both. I think they're both great. All right, you guys can let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.